One thing I didn't really plan on was how hard it is to find a custom fitted seat cover for a third gen Dodge. I figured pretty popular truck, right? There should be some decent model specific seat covers that'll kind of just freshen the interior up. Um, these things are 20 years old, so they just show a little bit of wear. And the original cloth had just kind of a dated looking design on it, if you want to say. So I started looking for some just nice seat covers, something tight fitted, not having to completely have the seats reupholstered, but a slip-on cover that looks kind of OE, and just had a heck of a time finding something. A lot of companies have the 2010 to 2025s or whatever, when it's actually the Ram truck instead of the Dodge Ram. It was the '02 to '09s. Saw a couple that were offered that looked decent. A lot of them have really cheesy looking diamond pattern inserts and stuff, and that's not exactly what I'm looking for. They did list them for like '02 to 2024, and if you do enough reading, you'll find somebody that tried them. And they don't fit right because the 2010 seats are actually a lot thicker, the seat backs anyways. So everybody was saying that they just don't fit well, they're baggy, that kind of stuff. Obviously just not made for the third gen seat. So looking and searching, took me probably a week anyways. I stumbled across an eBay listing of all places, and found this seat company that showed that it was specifically for the '02 to '09. So I went to their website, and sure enough, they said that they actually make a specific for this truck seat cover. That got me really questioning. I sent a couple messages. You can't call anybody anymore, which is frustrating. But they said that they made for this truck. There's a couple different variations. You can go pretty budget friendly all the way down to like a PVC cover. Then up into vinyl with leather insert, and then at the very top is the full leather body and insert. So I took a gamble and figured for what I would like to do and the way that the seat cover looks, I wanted to go with the leather insert that was perforated. It reminds me of the Escalade seats, like '07 to 2014. They look almost identical, the covers anyways. So I just wrapped up putting these covers in. I wasn't really planning on doing a video, but they turned out so stinking nice that I just have to take a second to show everybody what I got. This Clazzio seat cover company is my new go-to. Anytime I buy a cover, it's going to be from these guys, and you'll see why here shortly. I did find a discount when I was ordering it. It was the end of January 2025. I'll show you that here in a second, just make sure that it's still valid. Took the seat covers from $5.99 down to $5.25 shipped, no tax in my state, which was pretty nice. And at first I was kind of like, God, $525 for seat covers? These things better be pretty legit. You start looking around competitors and stuff, $300 to $500 is pretty normal, and for what you're getting, I think it's a great deal. So yeah, as soon as I opened the box, it went from, why did I just spend $500 on some seat covers, to, wow, that's only $500 for these seat covers? Let's take a look here quick. So it took about 2 hours or so to get these covers installed. And you can see that they just look, they look reupholstered. It's ridiculous that these are slip-on covers. I can't get over with the difference that this made on my truck, especially when it actually focuses. That would be great. You do have to cut in the lumbar adjustment, and also if you got the power seat, super easy. I fit the base of the seat on, took this switch completely out, which is just one connection under there, and cut just a rectangle, a little smaller than the original cover. On this one, I changed the directions a little bit. I cut just a hole around the knob. This knob just pops out. There's no screw or anything holding it in. But it just looks like a whole different truck. The vinyl body on these things, I would bet money these were real leather. Just the way that they feel.
The inserts are super nice. I just can't get over how well these covers are made and how nicely they fit. And they come with everything. The headrest covers, full set for the center console, minus the actual lid itself, but mine was in fine shape. The rears come out just as nice, and they still will swing up and everything like the factory. It's just a whole different truck. It went from kind of just farm work truck to you pop the door and wow, it's actually a really nice interior. Let me go to the other side. If you're in the market for a nice seat cover, I don't think you're going to find anything that fits better with better quality than this. Just nice stuff. There is a difference in 06, keep in mind. The earlier version seat had the flap, whatever they want to call it, the fabric base. 06, I believe, is when they changed to the newer style. It has like the plastic base. But that's just one thing that they're going to ask you when you put the order in anyways. But yeah, just wanted to share these guys. I am incredibly impressed. I was just going to take some videos or some pictures to submit to them they could use on the website, and thought I get enough third gen guys watching some of my videos on this truck, I probably better share this. So if you're in the market for some nice covers, hit up this Clazzio place. Highly recommend them. It is very tight fitting, but it just turns out so nice, it's worth your effort. Just make sure that the leather isn't super cold and take your time. I did these by myself, so a helper would make it a little easier. The seat backs in the front are very tight, but if you just work them down slowly, they come out really well. Thanks for watching.